Hey everybody in YouTube world, check this out. So this is a what we got here is a very bad water leak situation that happened. This is mold, obviously, and this is a plaster wall. And if you look here, you can even see some MC that's inside that plaster there. That's a very dangerous situation. Like if you was chipping away at that and you didn't know that was in there. Bad deal. Bad deal. And then up here, you can kind of see the damage it's caused to the ceiling. It was leaking from that's a tub directly up there. Let's see here. Yeah, there you go. Up underneath there's a tub. It was either leaking from that one or it was leaking from that sink drain up in there. And it just come down. And this is the mess that it made. This is what water can do to your home if you're not careful. Originally, this is a microwave that hangs here, and there's cabinets that go up there. So we're going to get started on this. I'm going to show you guys how we're going to remedy this situation here. But I just wanted to show you guys what we were working with beforehand, and we're going to go and remedy this situation and see exactly, you know, how good we can make it. See if we can make it look like new. So stay tuned, and I don't even know what I'm saying. I don't think. Anyways, so stay tuned and we'll get started on this. Thanks, guys.